right off the bat, I am not being sponsored by any means on today's video. So now we got that crap out of the way, let's get started. Guys, I want to talk about this beanie right here. It's called a couple names. It's called a magic hat, or it's called an Amazon music beanie. I had to think about that, could you tell? Let me tell you something about this hat. Now, if you're a walker, or if you do any outdoor activity, this hat, and if you like to listen to music, this hat may be for you. Now, I'm going to tell you how it works for me. I'm a walker, as you guys know. I listen to music, constantly listen to music as I walk. And I've been through many devices listening to my music. It could be anywhere from my little earplugs, and I even had a couple wireless devices. The wireless devices I had were all crap. I had one last 2 weeks or 3 weeks and it was shot. And I bought a very expensive pair of wireless earbuds. It lasted about a month or two and it quit working. The earbuds, they work. They work flawlessly. But guys, I'm telling you, I'm constantly adjusting them in my ears. And as I'm walking, I got, you got to have that cord down to where your cell phone is. And my hand keeps hitting it and wanting to pull out my cell phone or unplug me. It could be a pain in the butt. And not to mention, it does hurt the ears after a while. Well, guys, this past Christmas, my wonderful wife bought me this. And yes, I have it on my head crooked, but pretend you don't notice that. It's called Amazon wireless beanie, or it's called a music hat. Guys, it does everything I needed to do that the earbuds and the wireless earbuds did. It has speakers on each side, and I put it, and it's just flawless. Oh my God. And it even has a built-in mic. And if you're wondering what this spot right here is, a light goes there. I don't need the light, so I took the light out. But yeah, it even comes with a 3-way light. Can you dig it? I've had it for a while now. I've had it since Christmas, and I've used it pretty much almost every day. Today, I didn't use it because it's 50 degrees right now, and this thing will just burn my bald head up. But guys, it works flawlessly. I've never had a music device work as well, and one of the beauties about it is you can hear everything around you. See, when I'm doing my walks, I just don't walk here at the football field. I walk a lot of other places that has traffic. I mix my walks up. I do have my favorite place, which is the city park, but we'll get into that on other videos. I haven't been able to walk there much. We'll get to that some other time. But cars are constantly passing me. Constantly passing me. Or there's somebody's dog off the leash. It's vital you hear these things. With the earbuds and the wireless earbuds I had, you couldn't hear anything. You couldn't. At least with this, you hear the music flawlessly and you still can hear your around sounds, which is a vital thing for a walker or a jogger. Let's talk about the music capabilities. I had wireless earbuds. I had my normal earbuds with the wire, and one of the wireless earbuds I had, which was the most expensive pair, it cost me well over $100. You know, the pair didn't last more than 2 months. None of them top the sound I get out of this music hat. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it a music hat. None of them top that sound. None of them did. The music is flawless. You hear every bass. You hear it's so smooth. It's like the music is in your head, man. It's freaking rocks. Guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not being sponsored. I've never been sponsored by anybody. Nobody wants to sponsor me. But I tell you, when I run across a good thing like this, I like to share it with you all. Of course, I'm going to come back in about a month or two, maybe towards the end of winter, and tell you how it's working then. We're going to see if it lasts longer than 2 months. I don't think I will have a problem. It's real easy to charge. I could get more into it. If you guys want to know more about this music hat I'm wearing, leave me comments down there and we'll do a whole video. I will show you how you charge it. I will show you how it's done. I'll show you everything about it. But folks, if you're a walker or a jogger, or if you do anything outdoors and you like to listen to music like I do, grab you one of these off of Amazon. And it's not that expensive either. No. Now there is one downside come spring and summer. I won't be able to wear it. It'd be too dang hot. So I'll be back to the earbuds with the wire. That's the only downside I see so far, and I haven't hit that yet. We still got all of this winter to go through. So folks, I want to bring this to you. Whenever I run across something that is flawless and I really like, I like to bring it to you all. And this is definitely something I need, me being a walker. It's so smooth. The music is so perfect. I can hear everything around me. And I don't have to worry about that dang wire coming out. And I don't have to worry about them earbuds hurting my ears. Or every so often have to adjust them in my ears. No. It fits firmly. The hat is very warm. It fits firmly on my head, although I don't have it on my head perfectly right now. I just threw it on for the video. There you go. I have it on my head the way I would use it when I walk. So guys, if you're looking for something for a music device, and you can do away with them nasty darn things that go in your ears, or you can do away with the wireless, you know, go to Amazon and look up a music hat. And it has another name. I'm doing a video here. Be a little quiet up there. But it has another name. People call it. It's called Beanie. No, it's called Wireless Beanie. Dang, I think I forgot what it was called. Amazon Wireless Beanie. Oh my, think. So guys, until next time, I'm hoping we'll do a adventure video for a hike. But we got rain coming. And lots of it. But we'll do something. But seriously, look into it, folks. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here.